Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a room temperature area and inspecting the note's edges. This matters because cold makes adhesive brittle and hot makes it gooey. Next, slide a thin card under one corner and lift at about a 30-degree angle. Why? Because a gentle peel concentrates stress at the lift point and reduces tearing. If the edge won't free, stop and test a small solvent on a scrap area to confirm it won't damage the surface. Once safe, continue slowly. Once the corner is free, reduce remaining adhesive by applying 1 to 2 drops of rubbing alcohol or a safe solvent to the lifted edge. Blot gently, do not soak, because excess liquid can warp paper or paint. Then, advance the card in half-centimeter steps and peel back the note slowly. This staggered motion keeps adhesive from stretching and leaving residue. For delicate paper or archival items, swap liquids for a soft archival eraser and very light mechanical lifting to protect fibers and inks. You finish by addressing any sticky residue. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover or 90% isopropyl to a cloth and dab outward from the center to avoid spreading. Make sure to dry the area thoroughly. Once dry, condition sensitive finishes with a tiny amount of appropriate moisturizer or conservation wax to restore appearance. If residue persists or the surface shows damage, stop, repeat a solvent test on an inconspicuous spot, or consult a conservator. That's the single best troubleshooting step to prevent permanent harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.